Talofa everyone. So this is EDCS 654 Ethnomathematics challenge number 3, which is weaving. So today I'll be doing the weaving part 1. That would be the easy weaving, easy to weave. So today I'll be weaving a mailo, which is probably I would range it for a number 2 or a number 3. It's very easy to do. So I'll be using 2 pieces of coconut leaves. With one piece is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves, and the other one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's an even number and an odd number. So first things first is placing the coconut leaves across from each other, but the other one should be on top though. But it's kind of easy though for me is to. So when we start off, we take 1, 2. You miss the other one, you take up the other one, 2, 3, and 4. And then you take 1 coconut leaf from this part and you place it under. And then you alternate. You take the leaves that is right under and you pull it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you take the other coconut leaves and you place it under. While you're doing it, you try to straighten it out or flatten it out, the leaves, so that at the end it would all be in place. So after the weaving, kind of straighten it out so that all your leaves would all be intact together. And so the last part would be gathering all this end and tying it. Just make a knot to keep them all together. So there you have it, our Samoan mailo. This is what Samoan people used to put their food on, with just a banana leaf, put it on top here, and then place our fa'ausi or whatever food that we cook on the